What if everything you know is smaller than you could ever imagine? Right now, you're sitting on a planet that's roughly 12,700 kilometers across. It feels enormous. Mountains stretch for kilometers. Oceans seem endless. Entire countries can take days to cross. But compared to the universe, Earth is almost nothing. Let's start with a simple comparison. If Earth were the size of a grain of sand, our sun would be about the size of a basketball. And even then, the nearest star would be thousands of kilometers away. The distances in space are so vast that our brains struggle to comprehend them. Light travels at nearly 300,000 kilometers per second. It can circle Earth over 7 times in a single second. Yet even at that incredible speed, sunlight takes more than 8 minutes to reach us. And that's just our own star. The nearest star beyond the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 years away at the speed of light. If you could somehow drive a car to it, the journey would take tens of millions of years. Now imagine our galaxy. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars. Some estimates suggest there may be more planets than stars. And our galaxy itself is only one of billions, possibly trillions, in the observable universe. But here's where things become truly strange. Scientists believe the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. Notice the word observable. That's only the part we can see. Beyond that boundary may be regions of space, so distant that their light has never reached us. The universe could be vastly larger than we imagine. In fact, one theory suggests it might be infinite. An infinite universe leads to a terrifying possibility. If space goes on forever, then eventually every possible arrangement of matter could repeat. Somewhere unimaginably far away, there may be another Earth. Another version of you. Maybe one making different choices. Maybe one watching this exact video. It sounds like science fiction, but mathematically it's a possibility. And that's not even the strangest theory. Some physicists believe our entire universe may exist inside a gigantic cosmic bubble. According to the eternal inflation theory, countless bubble universes could be forming all the time. Each might have different laws of physics, different stars, different planets, perhaps even forms of life beyond our imagination. Our universe could simply be one tiny bubble in an endless cosmic ocean. Then there's the simulation hypothesis. What if reality isn't fundamental at all? What if everything you see, hear, and experience is part of an unimaginably advanced simulation? Some scientists and philosophers argue that a sufficiently advanced civilization could simulate entire universes. If such civilizations exist, there may be far more simulated realities than real ones. That raises an unsettling question. How do we know we're not living in one? Of course, there is currently no proof. But the possibility remains one of the most fascinating ideas ever proposed. Yet perhaps the most humbling theory concerns humanity itself. The pale blue dot. When the Voyager 1 spacecraft turned its camera back toward Earth from billions of kilometers away, our entire planet appeared as a tiny speck suspended in a beam of sunlight. Every person who has ever lived, every king, scientist, artist, warrior, and dreamer, every triumph and every tragedy, all of it happened on that tiny dot. In the grand scale of the cosmos, we are unimaginably small. But perhaps that's what makes us special. Out of all the stars, planets, galaxies, and cosmic mysteries, we are one of the few known parts of the universe capable of asking questions about itself. The universe is vast beyond comprehension. It may contain infinite worlds, countless dimensions, and mysteries we haven't even begun to understand. And yet here we are, tiny creatures on a small planet orbiting an ordinary star. looking into the darkness, trying to understand our place within it. And perhaps that's the greatest mystery of all. What do you think lies beyond the observable universe?